तपसे स्वाहा तप्यते स्वाहा तप्यमानाय स्वाहा तप्ताय स्वाहा गर्माय स्वाहा निष्कृतये स्वाहा प्रायश्चित्तये स्वाहा भेषजाय स्वाहा ओम स्वाहा। Namaste to all. This is Yajurveda's 39th chapter, 12th mantra. Very, very beautiful Veda mantra which speaks about tapasya. मनुष्य ही कई साधनाई ही सुखम प्राप्तव्यम इति आह. How can we attain sukh in our life? The mantra speaks about that subject. Kaihi sadhanaihi. Which are the sadhans which we must use? Which we must use to attain sukh. That is mentioned in this mantra. The main sadhan in this mantra is, as you heard, the mantra it speaks about tapasya only. By everyday pranayama, by everyday yoga abhyas, by adopting the Vedic dharma, human beings can control our sinful tendencies. पाप को हम समाप्त कर सकते हैं. So tapase swaha. In order to increase the ruchi, or in order to increase our taste towards tapasya, what we must do, number one, the most important thing we must do is we must try to search Mahapurush. We must try to search acharyas who have attained samadhi, or in the worst case we must try to search acharyas who are great tapasvis. I mean, they have not attained samadhi, but they are great tapasvis. They are brahmacharis. They are adopting Vedas in their life. They are preaching Vedas to others. At least that acharya we must try to contact. Mahapurush ke sang karna chahiye. That's the most important thing. Thereby, when you have attachment towards Mahapurush, we will get ruchi towards tapasya. Ruchi means we will get taste, we will get an affinity to do tapasya. If we do not have contact with tapasvi purush, if we have contact with worldly people who are in the worldly matters, we will get attraction towards worldly matters only, right? So that's what tapase swaha means. Tapasya में रुचि उत्पन्न करने के लिए we have to have association with Mahapurush. We have to have association with great acharyas, and also we must study the Jivan Charitra of Mahapurush. Like example, Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati's Jivan Charitra, if you know, there are many books available, you can read. Or you have any other Mahapurush, Kapil Muni, Patanjali Muni, Vyas Muni, Mahabharata, Ramayana, we can read those books. Thereby we can understand the Jivan Charitra of Mahapurush. Thereby we can increase our affinity, increase our ruchi towards doing tapasya. And also Satya Kriya karna. Tapase swaha. Swaha means Satya Kriya. We must do Satya Kriya. Satya Kriya means doing Agnihotra is Satya Kriya. Everyday Agnihotra, it is a Satya Kriya. Speaking truth is a Satya Kriya. Doing everyday name jap of Paramatma is Satya Kriya. Not speaking lies is a Satya Kriya. So we must do Satya Kriya. Tapasya में रुचि होने के लिए सत्य क्रिया करना चाहिए. If we do Satya Kriya, we will get affinity towards tapasya. Otherwise, we will go away from tapasya. Very, very important advice by Maharishi. And also, Manu Bhagavan says, Vidya tapobhyam bhutatma. Tapasya se atma shuddha hota hai. Vidya tapobhyam bhutatma. Tapasya se atma pavitra hota hai. By doing tapasya, our jivatma will become pavitra. And also, you see, tapyate swaha, संताप को प्राप्त होने वाले के लिए स्वाहा. Tapyate swaha, very, very important. See, tapasya, the definition of tapasya is kashta ko sahan karna. Tapyate swaha, kashta, when we get kashta in our tapasya, and if we are able to bear that kashta, bear that dukh, and also further progress in dharmic path, then we are doing tapasya. Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati, in one of his book, he writes, kashta ko sehkar सत्य, अहिंसा, अस्तेय, अपरिग्रह, ब्रह्मचर्य आदि धर्मों को जो पालन करता है वही तपस्या है। कष्ट को सहन कर भी, see, when we do not have any kashta in our life, when we do not have any dukh in our life, it's easy to follow dharma. But can we follow dharma when we get dukh in our life? It's not easy. That's why tapyate swaha. संताप को प्राप्त होने के लिए, and further tapyate swaha also means tapasvi जो we know a tapasvi who is doing tapasya, and उनको we must do संयोग। तपस्वी जो तप से तप रहा है उसके लिए स्वाहा। तप्यते स्वाहा मीन्स तपस्वी के लिए स्वाहा, मीन्स तपस्वी के लिए सत्य क्रिया करो। व्हाट इज सत्य क्रिया फॉर तपस्वी? मन वचन वाणी से उनकी सेवा करो। वी मस्ट डू सर्विस टू दोस तपस्वीज हु आर डूइंग तपस्या, एंड वी मस्ट ट्राई टू डू संयोग टू देम। इफ समबडी इज डूइंग तपस्या इन योर हाउस, don't try to interfere in their tapasya. If possible, try to help in their tapasya. That is called as tapyate swaha. If somebody is doing tapasya, somebody is walking the path of dharma, somebody is trying to take vanaprastha or sannyas from the grihastha ashrama, they are trying to do tapasya, they are trying to advance in the Vedic path, then what is our kartavya? We are associated with them. We must try to associate with them. We must try to help them in their tapasya. Tapyate swaha. उसके लिए सत्य क्रिया करो। And tapyate also means, Maharshi writes, जो स्वभाव से तपस्वी है, means by birth they are tapasvi. They are always involved in their tapasya. They are not in any other, they do not have any other thinking. So for those people, we must try to cooperate and increase their tapasya. And when we do our portion of help to them, Paramatma also blesses us. And also one more important thing Maharishi has written is, tapasya se aapke kamana purti hoti hai. Whatever is your kamana, when we do tapasya, it will get fulfilled by Paramatma and aapko sukh milega. And further the mantra says, tapyamanaya swaha. tapyamanaya swaha, ताप गर्मी को प्राप्त होने के लिए स्वाहा। जो इस समय में एक तप्यते स्वाहा, जो स्वभाव से तपस्वी है, and tapyamanaya swaha, they are not स्वभाव से तपस्वी. Like people like us, we are not स्वभाव से तपस्वी, but we are trying to do tapasya. If somebody is इस मार्ग में, they are trying to do tapasya, इस समय में तपस्या करने की प्रयास कर रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं, ट्राइंग टू डू तपस्या, उनके लिए सहयोग करो, उनके लिए आप स्वाहा करो, उनके लिए सत्य क्रिया करो, उनके लिए आप हेल्प करो। तप्यमानाय स्वाहा। देन तप्ताय स्वाहा। तप्ताय स्वाहा, तपे हुए के लिए, जो तपस्या कर चुका है, जैसे लाइक मैं आचार्य, ऑलरेडी तपस्या इज ओवर, ऑलरेडी ही हैज अटेन्ड समाधि, उनके लिए भी स्वाहा, उनके लिए सेवा करो। फॉर पर्सन लाइक मैं आचार्य, वी मस्ट ट्राई टू डू सेवा बाय डूइंग डोनेशन टू हिम, by giving him clothes, by giving him food, by giving him whatever possible by us, we must try to give them. तप्ताये स्वाहा, ऑलरेडी तपस्या कर चुके हैं, तप्ताये स्वाहा। महर्षि राइट्स, तपे हुए के लिए, ऑलरेडी तपस्या हो चुके हैं उनका, उनके लिए भी स्वाहा करो। सो वी मस्ट ट्राई टू डू सेवा टू दोज पीपल हु आर तप्यते, हु आर स्वभाव से जो तपस्वी है, and we must try to do swaha for those people who are tapyamanaya and who have started the tapasya, who have started doing progress in the Vedic mark, and one who has finished their tapasya, for them also we must do swaha, we must do satya kriya. Then gharmaya swaha, mantra says gharmaya swaha, din ke hone ke liye swaha, means in the day, din bhi ek sadhan hai. The daytime, now it is morning, early morning, maybe the time is around 6:30. So the mantra says din bhi ek sadhan hai, the daytime is also a sadhan for you. Gharmaya swaha, din mein mat sona. Try to utilize the daytime properly. Try to utilize early morning for Swadhyaya, try to utilize early morning for Agnihotra, try to utilize the balanced time from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock for your everyday hard work, doing studies, going to university, going to business, going to work, etc. Then दिन के शाम होने में before getting ratri, try to do, so try to utilize the din in a proper way. Gharmaya swaha, din ek sadhan hai, it's very important. Paramatma has given to us. Utilize your daytime. Don't waste that. Okay, today is a weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Friday evening we'll go for drink and party and dance. No, do not waste your time. Din ek sadhan hai. And also one more important point Maharishi has written is Nishkritaye Swaha. Garmaya Swaha, in the Garmaya Swaha, one more important point is Raat bhi sadhan hai. Try to utilize your Raat, your night time for tapasya and also for proper rest. Raat bhi ek sadhan hai, din bhi sadhan hai, raat bhi sadhan hai. And Nishkritiye Swaha. Nishkritiye Swaha means शरीर को निवारण के लिए स्वाहा मीन शरीर में जो रोग है परमात्मा से वी मस्ट ट्राई टू डू प्रार्थना दैट आई हैव गॉट दिस रोग, आई हैव गॉट लेग पेन, आई एम अनेबल टू सिट इन आसन, आई हैव गॉट कोल्ड कफ, आई एम अनेबल टू डू प्रॉपर ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज, प्रॉपर प्राणायामा. सो निवारण के लिए सत्य क्रिया करो. सत्य क्रिया मीन्स उपासना करो. उसके बाद परमात्मा ऑल्सो टोल्ड दैट यू आर नॉट वेल, सपोज यू आर नॉट वेल, you must try to take proper medication after doing prarthana to Paramatma. Go to doctor, take proper medication. Thereby निष्कृतिये स्वाहा, आपके जो रोग है निवारण हो जाएगा. शरीर में जो न्यूनता है उसको आप, जो दुर्बलता है, whatever weakness we have, we must try to overcome that. Thereby we are able to do tapasya. उसके लिए स्वाहा, उसके लिए follow the instructions of the Vedas. Then further the mantra says प्रायश्चित्य स्वाहा. प्रायश्चित्य पाप वृत्ति को निवारण करने के लिए, we have done lot of पाप in our life, we are continuously doing पाप day in and day out. Try to remove the पाप वृत्ति from us. For that we must follow स्वाहा Vedic instructions. प्रायश्चित्य स्वाहा. प्रायश्चित्य does not mean Paramatma will give us, he will forgive us. No, Paramatma will not forgive us. Paramatma will punish us for our sins. Paramatma will reward us for our punya karma. But prayaschitta means taking a sankalp to remove our sinful tendencies from our life. For that we must do swaha, we must do meditation, we must do worship of Paramatma. Then Beshajaya swaha. Sukh के लिए important thing, सुख के लिए स्वाहा करो. सुख. और एक मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग महर्षि हैज रिटन इन वन ऑफ द बुक्स, तपस्वी को कभी निरादर मत करो, तिरस्कार मत करो, अनादर मत करो. नेवर एवर ट्राई blame a tapasvi or try to do niradar, anadar, apaman, insult, etc. on to a tapasvi. Most important, and that is also one of the swaha only. Swaha means आदर करना है, तपस्वी को आदर करना है. And Beshajaya swaha, sukh ke liye swaha. If you want to attain sukh, you must put swaha in the homakund. If you want sukh, you must do yajna. If you want sukh, you must do pranayama. If you want sukh, you must follow brahmacharya. Beshajaya swaha. So this is the swarup of tapasya. Try to do, see, do not get jealous. If a person is doing tapasya, don't get jealous. If a person is doing everyday dhyana, he is able to sit for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, don't get jealous that you are unable to sit, he is able to sit. If he is able to sit, pray to Paramatma to give him more strength to sit. If possible, try to give him good food. If possible, try to help him in his tapasya. But don't get jealous. Nitiraskar anadar mat karo. This is an important lesson, important, very, very important advice by Paramatma to us. So, ये प्रायश्चित भी important. See the words. प्रायश्चित्ये स्वाहा, निष्कृत्ये स्वाहा, बेशजाये स्वाहा. शरीर में दुर्बलता है. If you have दुर्बलता, weakness, vitamin deficiency, leg pains, anything in our body, try to remove it by proper medication. That is also swaha. These are all important to attain sukh. Manushya kehi sadhanani sukham praptavyam. When we do all these things, we will get sukh in our life. And also when we do tapasya means तप को सहन करना, कष्ट को सहन करना. When we are able to bear the kast in our life, we will become sukhi in the future. That's also an important learning. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.